All right, let's walk inside a spacious ocean view balcony on Voyager of the Seas, room 6370. So as we first walk in, we have our closet right here, which I will show you right now. It has 6 different shelves on the right-hand side with a large bar across it and a second rack if needed below it. On the other side of the room, as always, we have our bathroom. In this case, you're gonna have your sink vanity area on the right-hand side or closer to the bed. Closer to the front door, we're gonna have our toilet and our shower area. There is no difference between the closet and the bathroom on a spacious ocean view balcony or an ocean view balcony or even an interior room. They're going to be identical. The first time you're going to get an upgrade is going to be in a junior suite. And if you're interested in seeing what that actually looks like on Voyager of the Seas, we have a video for you right here that you can click on. And it'll actually show you what a junior suite looks like and what these closet and upgraded bathrooms actually look like. So as we continue into the room, on my right-hand side, we have our desk area with all of our welcome aboard paperwork, bracelets for kids to know where the muster station is if they go to the Adventure Ocean Kids Club. We have our vanity with behind the mirror storage, as you'll see here. This is also where the only outlets or power ports are going to be in the room. You get 1 Euro plug and 2 US plugs. We highly recommend you bring a converter for the Euro plug, or if you use Euro devices, then converters for the US plugs. We are gonna put links in the description down below to Amazon, not an affiliate link, a regular link, for you guys to see the exact products we use. Here we also have our cooler, which remember, it is not a refrigerator, it's a cooler. If you do have a need to keep a medication cold, say you're on insulin or something like that, you can request a medical fridge ahead of time or have your travel agent like Amy do it for you so you don't have to worry about it. Above the TV, we do have the safe with a very squeaky door, and then we have some more storage up here. Now the main difference between a spacious ocean view balcony and a regular ocean view balcony is going to be the couch. You can see this couch is pretty big. It's actually a 3-person couch instead of a 2-person couch. So that's pretty much the difference in the space that you're gonna get in a room like this. This will convert to a bed. That's where our daughter's gonna sleep, and I will show you what that looks like just a little bit later. Okay, looking out at the balcony, you can see it is a very typical older style balcony, and there is no extra quote unquote space in the balcony area. We are in Piraeus, Greece today, just outside of Athens. That's where we are sailing out of to start our 9-day trip. So this is what it looks like. Just a beautiful shot for you guys, but not exactly the most picturesque balcony you've ever seen. Coming back in from the balcony, you have your bed, your couch, looking back at our little bit of storage on the side of the desk, and then our desk area, our closet, and the bathroom behind this wall, guys. I'll put up a picture now of what this looks like converted for you. And as always, if you're interested in booking a room like this, you can always scan the QR code right here to have Amy book the perfect itinerary on the perfect ship for you. Or if you're interested in more great cruising content or seeing what a junior suite looks like, don't forget to check out more of our cruising content right here. And we'll see you guys on the next one.